Okay, so I have another one of those buckets that I got from Walmart for 10 cents. And I had an extra seedling of crookneck yellow squash. And as you see, I put it in here and I have a little baby squash growing. I've been waiting to see if I'm going to get some more flowers, but I don't think so. I don't think this pot is deep enough, but I'm going to keep it in here, try to keep it alive and see what I can get besides this one squash. I am going to harvest this squash to give more energy to these flowers in the plant and see where it goes from there. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day. Here is my other second round of cucumbers. I have 3 pickling and 1 muncher right there. I think I'm going to move that muncher to its own pot so it'll have a better chance of growing. Looks like some type of insect been eating my cucumbers, so I'm going to have to put something on them to save them. But I was just showing you guys my second round of cucumbers. Thank you for watching and have a great day. And here is another cabbage plant that I have. I had initially tried to germinate seeds in this little grow bag, but they didn't germinate. So I ended up putting them in the Easter baskets that I got from Walmart. But after a few more weeks, this little baby germinated. So I'm just letting it grow here because I didn't have anything else growing in here besides my little cilantro herbs right here. So it was growing right over here in the corner, so I just moved it to the front, and I'm pretty sure I'm going to get a big head of cabbage out of that. So I was just giving you guys an update. Here's my cilantro that I'm growing. Thank you so much for watching, and you have a great day.